kids, next up in our type of poems series is Ballads and Pantoums. A ballad are written in ballad stanzas, or what are also known as quatrains, and they have alternating lines of iambic tetrameter and iambic trimeter, which is what is known as ballad meter. Usually only the second and fourth lines of a quatrain rhyme, but you'll see sometimes the first and third line can rhyme as well. So here's an example of two ballads. As we weathered ferns by the roadway line, time the jester spurns, all our prayers prying. So you can see the second and the fourth line rhyme, and they follow that specific measurement that we discussed. All our tears sighing, sorrow, change, and woe, all our wear and wine for friends that come and go. So that's BCBC. The other one, the Indian Removal Act gave power to use force to make the Indians retract past Mississippi's course. The Indians transplanted were left to peruse their life, roaming free west of the river, then became the strife. The Civil War had ended, white people wanted land, farmers, miners, trappers all moved west to try their hand. So that one follows the second and fourth rhyming pattern as we discussed. So that is a ballad. Next we have a pantoum. Pantoum uses 4-line stanzas, which we know as quatrains, where you repeat lines throughout, meaning lines 2 and 4 of a stanza become lines 1 and 3 of the next stanza. So this is just a number pattern to show you how it would work. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, the lines, then you got 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, etc., etc. So here is some examples of a pantoum. This is called In the Dark by Christopher Lane. A man outside my window, the cat meowed and purred. I kneel by the fire, the darkness comes soon. So lines 2 and 4 now will become lines 1 and 3 of the next stanza. The cat meowed and purred. She walked between my legs. The darkness comes soon. The stars will guide my way. Then the 2 and 4 of that line of that stanza should become 1 and 3 of the next. She walked between my legs. She ran into the house. The stars will guide my way. I walk the beaten path. And you see it just goes on and on. Lines 2 and 4 of the first quatrain become lines 1 and 3 of the next quatrain. So there you go. Ballads and pantoums. Pantoums, you just have to kind of plan ahead a little bit as you write them so that you know which lines you're going to use. Ballads are closer to songs, which is we know ballads are songs, so they have a ballad meter in order to give that sort of song effect to it. So that's ballads and pantoums, and we will move on and do your last types of poetry here in the next video.